Hi guys, so I just want to show you what my colleague is working on right now. And as you see, it's a Cobra Siege with 8-bolt magazine installed, but the interesting thing is that one. So the bipod now is bending, and let me show you how this works. So this is a prototype, so the spring is actually will be moved a bit forward here. So the spring will be actually an item that will fix the bipod in fully extended position, and same time it will fix it in fully bended position, just because we're gonna move a bit this spring front. Spring will be on both sides, so it's kind of redundant, and then it will be two parts. So basically this part will be kind of like a connector, so it will connect to the Siege and it will connect to original bipod. So let me know in comments what do you think about this, if you have any suggestion, because my colleague is right now sketching this item and working on testing latest item. Sorry, that's not the latest item, but I wanted just to raise some discussion. Maybe you have some feedback and suggestions. So yeah, thank you very much, and let us know what you think about that.